So now in this video we will work on the route navigation for our name routes. So that's all the code from the previous video that we wrote it before. Now we will make some changes in it and we will then run it for name routes. Let's remove that unnamed here and we will say name routes, as you guys can see. So after it we will have an initial route. So right in here initial route, we will give the value slash. What I mean by this, whenever I run the application, which route or which screen will be open. So right in here default transition and then transition dot, we will go with this one, right to left with fade. After this we will have a get page attribute, and in there we will have an array, and in array we will have a different routes. Right in here get pages, and in here write get page. We will give the route name in here. So right in here slash, this will be the route name, and in page which screen or which route will be open. So in here we will set it to my app, so the first screen will be open as my app, as you guys can see in here. Now we will set another, so right in here get page, give the name. This time it will be home page. We will set it to home page. So right in here home page, as you guys can see. Now we will set another in here, get page, give the name for a route name. So in here this will be for a dashboard, so in here write dashboard. Right page. There we go. After this we will set it to dashboard page. There we go. So now scroll it down and remove that from here, unnamed, and we will set it to name. Put D in here, it will be named, not name, or you can write it, there will be no problem. So now what we will do for name routes, in here we will simply give the name. Right in here we will write named, as you guys can see in here I give the to name, and now in here we will remove that and we will write it like this, write home page, as you guys can see. So this one will be for a name routes. So we will simply get the user to the home page, and that's all the code for a main.dart. Now we will go to the home page .dart right in here, as you guys can see. So in here we will need only one elevated button, there is no need of this, so simply del this from here to here, as you guys can see, and remove that size box. So now we will do a little change in here. Right in here we will set it to name, as you guys can see, and we will remove that from here, and in here with a slash we will write dashboard page. as you guys can see. So there's a little change for our name root. This will simply get the user to the dashboard page, and that's all the code for a home page.dart. We are done here. Now we will go to the dashboard, as you guys can see at the top right in here. So we will change only one thing in here, right in here. Remove that, and we will set it to name, and we will write in here slash and home page. So basically it will get the user to move it to the home page. So that's all for the dashboard page.dart. Now we will simply go and run the application and see the result. So simply come here and click on this play button. It will take some time, so wait for a while. So now let's check it if it's working or not. And remember, it's for name roots. So click in here, go to the home page. As you guys can see, it's working fine, and we are now in the home page screen. And we can also go to the dashboard page. So simply click in here. As you guys can see, we are now in the dashboard page screen, and from here we can simply go back to the home page. There we go, in the home page. And you guys can also go back to the main page from here. As you guys can see, we are now in the root navigation for name roots. This is the main page, and you can also set a button in here for a bake to the main page, or you can do it from here. So that's all for this video, and we will work further in the next video.